It's a 2-for-1 special. 2 for 1. We have this one. We're solving this trigonometric equation for the variable x. And then we're going to follow it up with something a little tougher. We're going to solve that trigonometric equation for x. So let's crawl before we walk. Let's get to this one. 1. We need to isolate 1. Isolate the trig function. Is it all by itself right now? No. What's going on there? Multiply by 3. So we got to get rid of multiply by 3. How do you get rid of multiply by 3? You divide both sides by 3. So now you have y divided by 3. That's going to be cosine x. Now that we've isolate, we need to take the inverse. We need to take the inverse. Step 2, get the inverse. So we're going to have the cosine inverse of y over 3. That's going to be equal to x. And then what? Woo. Box and flower. Wait, that's it? That's all? Yeah, that's it, that's all. Let's go do that Mojado one. Oh, my English is so good. Is the sign all by itself? Because we need to isolate. No, it's not. You got to undo friends before you undo more than friends. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? 2 times 3 and 2 plus 3. Which one of these is actually physically written closer? The times or the plus? The times. So I like to call this friends and this more than friends. I think they're going to multiply. Anyways, in any relationship, like any equation, like 5 is equal to 2x plus 3, or something like that. Well, let's put like another x on there, plus another plus another, plus, okay, 7, whatever. And in a relationship, what? They get together, and they simplify their stuff, meaning she gets rid of all of his stuff. So yeah, this is 5 is equal to 2x plus 10. Then, she's got to get rid of all of his friends. So she undoes the addition. You got to get rid of all of your friends. So she subtracts the friends from both sides. So now you got a minus 5. No. Boom, you subtract the friends off each side. And then what? Then she's got to leave him, right? Then she's got to leave him. So then she leaves him. And not until he's all by himself does he figure out who he really is. Yeah? The same thing goes when you're solving these trig equations. First, you got to get rid of all the friends. How you undo that too? You add 2 to both sides. So you have y plus 2 is equal to a 4 sine 1/2 x. And you got to get sine all by itself. So you got to get rid of that 4. She's got to leave him. So then you divide everything by 4. So you have y plus 2 divided by 4. That's going to be equal to the sine of, yeah. And I don't know what this scenario is. Maybe this is the divorce attorney or something like that. Maybe now his money has to leave him. That's where we take the inverse of each side, the inverse sine of each side.
Oh, that's where she takes his house.
That's because right now he's living inside the sine, but now the sine's gone. Yeah, she gets rid of his house. Boom, and that's the new thing. That's the sine inverse of y plus 2 divided by 4. That's going to be equal to 1/2 x. Because we undo the sine function with the inverse sine function.
And now he takes all of the money.
No, that's his kids.
That could be his kids or his girlfriend.
I thought his wife left him.
Yeah, because of the girlfriend.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
She found them in the same house, that's it.
There it is. Oh. So now you need to undo that multiplication. Undo that more than friends.
So what's the life lesson here?
So you multiply both sides by 2. And then that gets rid of this half. And gets that 2 over there. Boom. And then he's all by himself. Again. A box. And a flat